The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 2, Parliament. Legislative Procedure. Article 111. Assent to bills. When a bill has been passed by the Houses of Parliament, it shall be presented to the President. And the President shall declare, either that he assents to the bill, or that he withholds assent therefrom. Provided that the President may, as soon as possible after the presentation to him of a bill for assent, return the bill if it is not a money bill, to the Houses, with a message requesting that they will reconsider the bill, or any specified provisions thereof, and, in particular, will consider the desirability of introducing any such amendments, as he may recommend in his message. And when a bill is so returned, the Houses shall reconsider the bill accordingly, and if the bill is passed again by the Houses, with or without amendment, and presented to the President for assent, the President shall not withhold assent therefrom.